Hello, I have a very simple message for you today. Stay in touch with us and keep trying your best. We've been telling our staff that they are not working from home, they are at home during a crisis trying to work. Well, it is exactly the same for you. You are not just studying at home, you are at home during a crisis trying to study. And I do know that some of you have other responsibilities and work commitments on top of that, so I can appreciate it's not always easy. You may have seen the news and heard about a phased return to college for some of our vocational learners. We are working with your tutors to organise this, making sure that we follow all guidance from the Welsh Government will publish shortly. This means that you will need to continue engaging remotely for a little while longer. Your tutor will give you plenty of notice about when you can return to campus and what to expect on your first day back. Please do not attend campus until you are asked to do so. And when you do return, we will expect you to keep socially distanced from others, to wash your hands regularly, and to wear a face covering at all times. Now, I know you may be thinking about your qualification and how you can complete this year. The best thing that you can do right now is to continue to try your best in all the remote sessions. It's in those sessions that you can continue your learning and you can prepare for any assessments and find out the latest information. We have got lots of people in college working with the awarding bodies to find a fair way to assess all elements of a course. We already have some information about GCSEs and A-levels, but we are expecting to hear very soon about other qualifications. So that might be your BTEC, City and Guilds, VCTC, EAL and UAL. I can't emphasise enough the importance of you staying in touch and trying your best and completing all the work that is set for you. That is the key to you achieving your qualification this year and being ready to progress maybe to your next course, to university, to an apprenticeship or to work. We are doing all we can, so please continue to do your bit by staying in touch and trying your best. But don't forget, you're not on your own. As well as your tutor, we have lots of other people who can support you. So this includes our welfare officers. So if you need to talk to someone about any personal struggles, let your tutor know and we can refer you. Our AST advisors can support you with maths, English or digital studies. Our I2A learning coaches are available if you need some extra help to complete your studies. Our campus staff are providing boost activities such as remote baking challenges, or I've seen the Fitness Fridays on Twitter. And our learner services team are still available. It may be that your financial situation has changed recently and we may be able to help you. Ask your tutor to put you in touch with learner services. So please remember, stay in touch and keep trying your best. I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone back on campus in the near future.